The Election Commission has now hit back at Rahul Gandhi. It states the Election Commission ignores such baseless allegations being made on a daily basis, and despite the daily threats being given, Election Commission asks all election officials to ignore such irresponsible statements and work in a fair and transparent manner. Let me go across to Niyamika joining us with more details. Niyamika, the EC has responded, hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, calling the allegations baseless.
Well, this is not the very first time when Rahul Gandhi has made this kind of allegation upon the Election Commission of India. He has been continuously making this claim that Election Commission is helping the BJP to do vote chori in various states. Firstly, he had made this allegation for the Maharashtra Assembly elections, and now he is also mentioning about Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh as well. On the other side, there is continuous protest which is going on by various India Bloc MPs regarding the SIR exercise being conducted in the state of Bihar. But the manner in which he has made this statement today, in which he has also given a threat to the Election Commission officials, saying that whoever you are, whoever was being involved in this entire exercise, we are not going to spare you. And not just that, but he has also given a reference to atom bomb by saying that we have got all the facts checked, and very soon we are going to make it public. So that is the reason why he is also threatening the Election Commission officials by saying that even if you have got retired, you are not going to be spared and we are going to find you. So that is the kind of statement which is now being made on the part of the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, to which now the Election Commission has also replied, and he has also asked the officials working in the Election Commission to completely ignore such kind of statements being made by any of the political leader and to continue with their work. So clearly, there is a war of words which have started between the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha and the Election Commission of India. But the question arises here is that why such kind of statement has been made against a constitutional body. That is what even the BJP is also saying, that he is holding the position of the leader of opposition, and still using such kind of words against a constitutional body is not right at all.
All right. Niyamika, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Moving on, for now, in a